Introducing the Hybro Series H500 Plus, 2-in-1 hybrid compact power screwdriver. Merging classic design with true power, the H500 Plus sets a new standard in auto screwdriver. Feel the power on auto mode, then put a delicate finish on your project with manual mode. Achieve remarkable efficiency with a speed of 250 RPM. With an auto torque of 4 Nm, the H500 Plus can easily drill through a bowling ball. A quick release feature enables the user to change to any bit in a snap. Elevate your work, choosing between 1 Nm and 4 Nm to perfectly align with your project's requirements. From automatic to manual, the H500 Plus will take care of your projects from start to finish. The H500 Plus is perfectly suitable for both everyday tasks and professional-grade applications. Stay powered up and ready with convenient USB Type-C charging. Strongest among the smallest. Hybro H500 Plus, 2-in-1 hybrid compact power screwdriver. Now available on Kickstarter.